make a motion that it be resolved that the Police Commission of the Town of East Haven is hereby directed not to hire, reinstate, reemploy, or return Officer Nappy to work in any way, shape, or form until such time as Officer Nappy has complied with the rules of this commission.
I think you're
I
making
don't know.
more out of this than it really needs
With
to
all
be.
due respect, Andrea, you are not a commissioner on this commission. You are the clerk.
No, but I have a lot
And-
of experience.
And I understand that.
And I have a
You're-
lot of history, and I know that in past
What has been done in the
situations
past,
when
whether
there
it is
were
in compliance with the
union
law, is completely
grievances and
different.
people were fired and they filed union grievances and it went through the State Labor Board, they came back, it did not come through this commission. This commission was notified, so-and-so's back to work. That was it. We had no, Attorney Scrignari didn't seem to believe we had any role in that at that time, and he was involved in it.
I am not concerned
So
about
I'm
the
just-
past actions of this board. I'm concerned about the actions going forward because I am responsible for those actions.
But you're making yourself a party to the action then.
No,
That's what I
I'm
see.
making a party.
Yeah, I
I
think-
am a party to the actions of this commission so long as I'm on it.
I think what we're
There's been a
suggesting.
motion on the table on it. Is there a second?